Hey, it is me, Chef Connie. Y'all like, hey, you didn't believe I was cooking. I know that this looks like it could be a farmer's market, but it's not. Today, we're gonna make my own, we're gonna make some guacamole. For dessert, I have watermelon, and we're making tacos. And these are the al pastor tacos. I bought the meat from the store yesterday and lost my mind. Okay, bread. No, you can't have no bread. Don't be looking at me like that. You can't have no bread, boo. You can't have no bread. But I do have the lettuce, and some of y'all can have the low carb, taco shells. But we're doing my favorite lettuce wrapped tacos. So first we're making this fresh guacamole. It looks like I'm at a farmer's market, but I'm really not. See, the thing is, I lost my 135 pounds not by getting shots, not by drinking protein shakes. It's by eating real food. Because protein shakes, I have allergies. And you know what I'm finding out? I tell people it's not necessarily an allergy. It's everybody's body is made differently. In reality, a lot of the stuff that I can't have, y'all can't have it either, but you still want it. And you still eat it because it doesn't affect you like it affects me. Y'all shouldn't be eating all that bread. I got people walking up to me all the time talking about, I'm trying to lose weight, but I love bread. I ain't never. One thing I'm going to say, I don't care about the bread. Let me get off of that subject. When you losing weight, I never told you to stop eating deliciousness. Chef Connie never said go eat some damn salads every day. You always say eat some veggies. All right. Hey, avocado. I chopped up these little sweet baby tomatoes, right? Throwing them in. Jalapenos. Ooh, yes. You know I like things hot and spicy. Ooh, okay. Got this. Some red onions. I think this is too much, so I'm just gonna do half of this bowl. Okay. I have my lime juice. There we go. I hope y'all can see that. I'm filming in a whole different location. It's hard for me to get a camera angle, but I'm like, I'm gonna put out a live video for y'all. You haven't seen me forever. The only thing cooked today is my meat. So the meat is cooked today. Here we go. This is pretty. Okay, so again, 2 jalapenos, half of a medium-sized onion, 3, these are some tiny avocados, 3 small baby avocados, maybe they're baby avocados, I don't know what they call them, but the 3 small avocados. I probably did honestly almost a half a cup of these cute little tomatoes. They have a really good flavor, and they're kind of sweet. I like using pink salt. I used I used the juice of 2 limes and 1 small lemon. That's how we did that. I don't want to hold y'all too long. I know you be like, hey, I got things to do. So here we go. This came out beautiful. See all those pretty colors? All right. Because I never told y'all to fill up on salads. I said, let's lose weight, be healthy, feel good, eating real food. Okay? Now, just because I can, and no, I don't eat no low-carb breads. They still got a lot of stuff in them. I don't eat them. You know, some people, you talk about you got some people in your family. Well, everybody's different. Because there are some people that live to be 100 and they were still smoking and drinking and eating all kinds of stuff. But I can't eat all that because of my food allergies. And y'all never see me do a lot of cheese videos because I do have some issues. Lactose. Yeah, I have some issues. Let me get this meat on. This is romaine lettuce. Remember we talked about this. These look like taco shells. Here's some better ones. This is the rest of the head of lettuce. I done finished it up. All right, let me put some meat on these and then we're gonna build this. You know what? I should have just left this here and got the meat. Okay. So I'm putting it on here. It's kind of messy, huh? All right, let's see. All right. Wow, my plate is not pretty. I thought I was gonna make a beautiful, delicious tacos for y'all. I'm making something. Okay. All right, now here we go with some, let me do this. Yeah, look, I stopped and looked at myself. I'd probably have a little bit of back fat. Y'all know I lost 135 pounds when I was 59. Now I am right now 65 and I'm not on any shots. I haven't had any surgery. So whatever you looking at, it's all me. Except this wig, these nails. Anyway, hey, now I just made this. I don't have cheese today, but I'm gonna use my guacamole. I think it's like a guacamole salsa, I don't know. It is gonna be fabulous. We know this. All right, let's try one. Okay, this is how this looks. Like a taco, absolutely delicious. Here we go. Okay. Y'all ready for me to take a bite of this deliciousness? Mmm. I took a bite. Sorry about showing you my food. Some of y'all don't believe in what you see. So here it is. I have these lettuce wrapped tacos. If your family's having tacos, get you some romaine lettuce or make a taco salad. Because this really is, you know, taco salad, you know, wrapped up like this. But it's eaten differently and the flavors can stick together versus when you eat a salad, you know, you got to poke the fork in this, that, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, so that's my healthy thing. Oh, shoot, I forgot my garlic powder. Dang. So let me throw in a little bit of garlic powder. I'm going to sprinkle some on my tacos. Yay. Because garlic powder also gives flavor. And my time is almost up, y'all. I really appreciate you watching me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today for dessert, this watermelon. 2 for $5. The watermelons were 2 for $5 for the little one. I'm in Costa Mesa. There's a store out here. They have incredible prices on their food, produce, meats, everything. It's an international store. They are called Super King. I love them. I love them. I paid $1.29 for these. I paid I can't believe it. 2 watermelons for $5, and I love watermelon. I'm addicted. That's a shame. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'm just saying, look, today and every day, this is how I eat. It's fresh. Only thing I have cooked is my protein. Sometimes I do make a smoked oysters salad with the cocoa aminos from Trader Joe's. Yeah, so I just have the shredded lettuce, some smoked oysters, cocoa aminos, keep it pushing. So it's whatever you want to do. You can do shredded lettuce, tomatoes, whatever, mix your salad up. So that's the only time when I'm traveling a lot, I do stuff like that because I know I don't have a place to keep my meat. But everything is fresh. And not only is this a delicious, I mean super delicious lunch, it's super healthy, it's clean. It's super clean. Clean ingredients. I never told you to go hungry. When you make your meals, you need to, this is how I eat. I'm 65. Thank you for watching. If you're trying to lose weight, great. If you're trying to get healthy, hey, start changing the way you eat. I promise you, some of the medical conditions are either going to go down or go away. What medical condition do I have? None. Oh, and save the scraps. Not the limes, but sometimes I do. Save the scraps, and you can make a soup out of them. Freeze them up, and you can make a broth. Thanks for watching. Take care. Create deliciousness, and bye for now.